Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have an EMF detector. So I live right next to a bunch of power lines and things like that. So I thought, hey, why not get myself a EMF detector so it'll do the electromagnetic field detector. And this is what it looks like here. So it says rechargeable detector. It comes with a little box. It comes with a cable that'll charge it from USB to USB-C. And it comes with the instructions. Let's see if we turn it on here. We can see it is currently testing. So there we are. So if we go by a certain mechanical field, I'm not sure what would be in my house here that might do it, but as I move around, it's detecting, I think probably doing different things. We're definitely in a safe zone here. So there we go. Kind of cool. So probably if I went outside and stand under a power line, it would say not quite so safe. But look at that. So there we go. So we have different functions here. It's going all the different settings, but very cool. It's a neat little detector and totally useful to have around if you're going to be going around electromechanical stuff, so it'll keep you nice and safe. Also, if you're ghost hunting, cool for that too. But very cool, nice little thing here, and then you have the different functions. We can hold it there to kind of, if you had a certain reading you wanted to take a picture of or something. Got a battery indicator. It's nice, a durable case, USB-C rechargeable, and I can turn off the sound if I want to, and I can look at the peak and the max on there as well, and I can just turn it back off. And it had a backlight on there too. I don't know if you saw it, but nice little setup here. Very cool. Thumbs up.